At Biomarin, we are dedicated to providing innovative, first-to-market therapeutics utilizing innovative manufacturing processes to bring valuable therapeutics to patients with serious unmet medical needs. With growing expertise in the development and manufacturing of complex proteins, Biomarin has established novel, streamlined processes for producing these biopharmaceuticals in a rapid, cost-effective, and environmentally sensitive manner.
You know, leadership at Biomarin is special. I think, as in most organizations, it often starts from the top. But we all come from the early days of biotechnology. Most of the senior executive team comes from Genentech. And we learned at Genentech all about the business. We took the best that Genentech had to offer and left behind some of the less than best aptitudes and attitudes. And we have this synergy here amongst ourselves, this drive to even do it better.
The innovation that we've been able to drive at Biomarin definitely rests on the foundation of the early employees of the company. But as we really connect through to our patient population, that gives us a sense of urgency about doing things as quickly and as safely as possible, about finding the straight line from A to B, and the enthusiasm that people find within themselves along that pathway causes us to not have to push them along very much at all. The mission is clear, the patients need us, and so innovation occurs as the result of those basic factors.
For Biomarin, the real personalized medicine we speak of is knowing each of our patients by name and their families. Because remember, you can add up all the patients we treat in the world for all of our products, and we're talking about patients just in the thousands. We're not talking about the large pharmaceutical companies that have patients in the hundreds of thousands. So we literally know each of our patients by name, and we have a personal relationships taking care of them and their families.
One of the things that I personally take the most pride in helping Biomarin grow over the last few years is our expansion into other countries around the world. That there are patients with terrible, rare genetic diseases in countries all over the world. This is genetics. They don't choose to have the disease. They're waiting for Biomarin or companies like Biomarin to develop therapies for them and get the therapies into their countries.
There are development programs that we've taken on that are now commercial products that no one else would have done had it been for our ability to take on additional risk, but grounded in smart science. If we saw ways to overcome risk that others would not take, we'd go forward. It's enabled us with our 4 commercial products to really turn things around in about half the time in the traditional industry. And Kuvan actually, once we in-licensed technology, figured out how to manage the risk, figured out how to make a stable product, we developed it from IND to approval in 3¼ years. That is the fastest in the history of our industry, and we're proud of that.
Agile,
innovative,
tenacious,
smart, friendly,
passionate,
and fun.
We knew that there was no way that this was not going to work.
There's nobody that cares more about the projects we work on than the people at Biomarin.
I feel we're doing something worthwhile.
By helping people, we are successful.